5-year warranty, 10-year lifespan versus 3 years on lead batteries. Add it up, the savings is right here. Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, the cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Actually, we should call it Sweet Golf Carts and Sweet Trolling Motors. Maybe that would be another channel we could do. My wife and I were thinking about getting a golf cart. And of course I have to overanalyze everything. And I looked into the most powerful batteries. And I'm always one for wanting to lose weight in something, especially myself. But in a golf cart, when you have 4-6 batteries in a golf cart that weigh almost 400 pounds, when you could get this RoyPow right here that weighs 101.4 pounds, that's huge. Now, I contacted them and they said, listen, we will send you one if you want to talk about it. And I said, listen, if you pitch me a couple of bucks, I'll share this thing with everybody. Because I am so impressed with what we've researched on this. If you are into golfing, if you have a golf cart, this is the way to go. These lithium batteries are phenomenal, but RoyPow has it all together. Their customer service is #1. I can't stress that enough. And you know what it's like when you go somewhere to a store and you get treated badly? RoyPow doesn't do that. They are phenomenal. They will help you get the right kit, the right setup, from your brake resistor over here to the charger to all the stuff that you need. Here's the bracketry to go into your Easy Go or whatever club that you're putting it into. Here's your meter. I mean, they give you everything. I'm going to turn it on here in a minute and share with you. But when you take a regular, what really got me going was when you take a regular golf cart and it has 6 batteries in it and they last 3 years. What is up with that? 3 years. And this thing has a 10-year life expectancy. So guys, let me stress to you, it is Christmas time. It is coming up Christmas time. You need to tell your wife, listen, I will not ask for another thing for the next 10 years, which you know you will, but I really, really, really want to upgrade from them nasty lead acid AMG garbage batteries because I got to put water in them. I've got to make sure they don't freeze. These right here, this whole thing will take care of 6 batteries. I can pull this out, set it in my back room, not have to worry about it. And the life expectancy of 10 years is big in its own. Yes, it's a little bit more money at the beginning, but overall lifetime, you have something that's just going to save you a ton of money. Now, I've got a couple pieces of paper back here that I'm going to read some stuff off of, but I don't really have to because I know RoyPow, being the fact that this is what they do. You can look at the quality of this stuff. You can look at how well it's put together. Okay, when you have 101 pounds versus 500 pounds worth of lead batteries that only last 3 years, that's a huge, huge savings. Now, charging time is 5 times faster with this rig right here. The weight is what blew my mind. I cannot believe that we can have something this size only weigh 100 pounds and do what 6 lead batteries will do. Now, all the stuff you get in your kit, in the description, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Clint Eastwood. In your kit that you get from them, they'll have everything you need for your particular golf cart. And if you call the number that we put in the description, you can call them and tell them what it is you're trying to do, and they will point you in the right direction and help you out. I can't tell you how important that is. They don't try to sell you. They don't try to do any of that stuff. They just take care of business. Now, I could try to have a golf cart here, and I'm real picky about the golf cart that I'm going to be getting. Real picky. So I could have one here, show you how to put it in. They're simple to put in. You can convert your lead acid battery golf cart to these RoyPows in no time at all.
What about deep cell batteries?
Oh, yeah. And for all of you that have boats and trolling motors and that kind of thing, take a look at this little rig. I got to bring this up. This is something that you may want to really look into, guys, if you're into fishing. They're deep cell batteries for trolling motors and for fish finders and all the electricity you need on your boat right there. Call them. The number will be in there, okay? The charger, you'll mount in there as well. You'll mount that inside with the battery. And all the wiring comes. Here's the wire, the button here to turn the battery on. You push that and it lights up green around there, and I'll show you how that works. But that plugs into it. We give you all the bolts, everything you need. Now, let's come over here. And this is your gauge. This is your gauge that tells you how much power is left in this. Now, an average golf round of 18 holes is about 6 miles. This thing will allow you to shoot 18 holes more than your wife will ever want you to do. I can promise you that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, this little button that's right here, all I have to do is push that. And it'll light up here telling me how much charge I have left. It's telling me about 50%. That thing is ready to go. All right, and this will mount with the cable right up in your front dash telling you, you better hurry up and get it done in that 18 holes before you run out of power. And that's going to be a long time. This thing will hold a charge for months and months and months safely. Okay, now if I want to shut that off, which that's what this switch here does as well. That'll be up on your dash. So you just do that and it'll light up like this. I just go off. Turn it back on. It's that simple, guys. The money savings, and your wife's got to love money, obviously. The money savings is huge. And I was thinking, I'm so impressed with these RoyPow lithium batteries that I thought about becoming a distributor. And they sent me this really cool shirt, so that's part of my payment. I get a really cool shirt and a really cool hat. So I'm really impressed with this. I know you trust Sweet Project Cars. I know you trust what we're telling you to be the honest to God's truth, okay? If you're looking to save money, you're sick and tired of worrying about your batteries, your lead acid batteries and all that stuff, this is the smart way to go. I mean, just look at the quality at the end of this thing. Excuse me. Look at the way it's all put together. It's just a beautiful, beautiful setup. All the plug-ins, everything you need are right there. There's your vent. Screw that out. Pull your gauge out. It's just a high quality gig. Really is. Here's your mounting bracket, and it could be different for your particular golf cart. But that's really, I can't say enough about it. I really can't. RoyPow has it all together, and for me, it makes common total sense to be able to go with something like this, lose all that weight. That's like taking 2 people out of your golf cart in weight, just by changing the batteries and not having as much maintenance with it. And you're ready to go. If the gauge says you got that much power left, go shoot around, okay? That simple. And as far as you guys with boats, I know there's a lot of you out there with boats. These, if I had a boat, I can tell you right now, I'd be going with the RoyPow Deep Cycles.
What about the warranty?
Warranty. 5-year warranty on this Consuelo. 5-year warranty. 10-year lifespan versus 3 years on lead batteries. Add it up, the savings is right here. So we're just telling you straight up, this is the way to go if you want to save a boatload of money. And that's really what we're trying to do. The way things are going right now, you got to save while you can. And they've got some really awesome sales going on. So that's really all I got to share with you. God bless you all. Have a great day. Sweet Project Cars out.